board of Dewan. Thank you, Babu.
President. And everyone. So today, a new day for us. I thank His Royalness Maharaj Pradut Kishore Manika, the chairman of functionaries of different regional political parties. We are together here. I also thank CM, EMs, and all the elected MDC, green medias, everyone here, including our all functionaries of regional parties. So we kept on discussion, assuring each other with Maharaji also. We wanted free, but one thing I spoke there, it can be better post-poll also. One may win, one may lose, but our grievances come never end. Therefore, we being placed minority against our own will, on our own soil, and it gives us more impression and strengthen us to disobey the arrogancy and other some instrument which want to divide us. Today, I feel very full of joy, and I find every face of the print media's friends also charming. Some may not be very happy, but everyone is very conducive to the issue. And you all want that the change of the state should come at the earliest possible. The first change had been brought under the leadership of our Maharaj Pradut Kishore and all other functionaries of different regional parties. I do not remember all the names, but I know everyone, those who sacrificed their life. And today we would be happier if we could have some other elders and friends who began to fight for our existence in Tripura. Unfortunately, we miss them today. They are no more with us. Some are still there. They are unable to move from their seat, from their desk. And we're so happy that under the leadership of our Tripura Mota chairman, Maharaj Pradut Kishore, that the ADC has been attained. And we really fought for the ADC. Socially, we had been boycotted at the time of communist regime in our land. We could not use one well to draw drinking water. Our girl students were expelled from the school when they used to wear their own clothes. Our cockburrow was not allowed to speak in any institution. We were beaten to forget our own mother tongue. We came across all these difficulties time and all these impediments we had to come across. Today, we can speak freely with any other citizens, and we feel proud today. And I wish this effort will continue, and our heart and mind and self-determination spirit, right for the last 55 years, I've been struggling my whole life. Today, I would be the happiest man to see the younger generation coming up with their motive and sacrifice and accepting the truth. So today, I hope my old colleagues, senior colleagues, and dynamic leaders, those who are running the administration of PTA-ADC, will be newly inspired today also and work hard so that we can make our society free from corruption, and we can also work for the needy people, those who really need, and we can fight our way. Many are impediments coming on our way of administration. We live peacefully, we live a life of freedom, we want to live a life of various evil spirits, because everything is coming across our people also. Those who have a lot of problems, they will be describing this or that, but we would like to make understand every individual, those who really think for the advancement of the society. It can be termed as the area, TTADC, but we are equally concerned for the entire state, those who are economically weaker section. Weak is weak, poor is poor. Poor never described separately, either be it Mongolian, Aryan, Dravidian, or European. It's all the same. So we came from the background. We started our struggling life in years back, 1965, when many of you were not born, many of you were small boys or girls. But today, we are all grown up, and I'm happiest man at this age, touching almost 76, and still living as a statue, as a man. I don't claim myself to be a legend standing alone, but they are all my colleagues in your staff. And I wish you will today change your mindset so that you can be an instrument for the development, for the advancement of our society, those who are trailing behind economically, educationally. So today, once again, I thank every individual leaders here from different regional parties, because I have very short memory to name all of them, but equally I'm grateful for all of you today. And I wish, I pray to God, so that God will bless each one of us, those who are really carrying the clean heart. We want to build our society building on the rock, not on the sand. If we build our house on the sand, it will break easily. So we want to build our society on the rock, very strong. The wind may not blow. Any kind of temptation may not break it away. So thank you so much.